How's it going, everyone? It is a beautiful day, and since I have off from work, I decided I would take the Xterra out for a little drive. A while back, I was exploring this road not too far from my house and lost my drone in the process. And I was curious what it looks like with fall in full effect. If you haven't seen the lost drone videos, I will share a link so you can check it out. It turned into quite an adventure. Anyway, Nabba was excited to get out of the house.
Huh? No, I said 15.
This place is almost unrecognizable. I think it's so cool how in such a short amount of time, it feels like I'm exploring a totally different place. It's only been about 4 months since the last time I was here. Well, this was a change of plan. I did plan to go up there, but I didn't bring my chainsaw with me.
Okay. Let's go.
So, Nabba and I changed plans and hung out here.
With the 2002 Nissan Xterra four-wheel drive. With 32-inch KO2s, Bilstein 5100s, and front-to-rear Shockworks skid plates, it's ready to cross any terrain.
After the commercial break, Nabba and I just chilled around the truck for a while, enjoying the fresh air and our surroundings. I think it's adorable how she seems to find everything interesting. She was running all over, smelling every leaf and playing with every stick she could find, making sure to get tangled up in something at every opportunity. Eventually we settled down, and I set up my Helinox Savannah Highback camp chair. And, like any camp chair, there's a little bit of setup. Seeing Black Bear here is very normal. So every time she stops and looks out like this, it would get my attention. After sitting here staring up at the trees, swaying against a clear blue sky for a while, I realized it was time to go back home. It was a good time, and I hope to do it again soon. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.